In this video, we will be finally starting with HTML. So there is a general rule of HTML, and that is if there is a tag that has a starting tag, then it would have an ending tag too. And as you can see on the screen, this is the general format that we are going to follow in HTML. Here tag name is called starting tag and slash tag name is called closing tag. For example, here you can see two tags. The first tag is known as heading tag 1 that refers to the largest heading that we will give in our HTML document. And second tag is the head tag. We will introduce these tags to you very soon. So this is how we follow our general rule of HTML. There are some tags that don't require an ending tag. For example, the BR tag does not require any closing tag. Basically, BR tag inserts a break in the line. There is a definite structure of an HTML document that we have to follow while creating every website and web page, and that format you can see on the screen. And it starts with doctype HTML. Doctype HTML is used in the HTML document to specify the browser that we are using HTML5 to create our document, and it does not have any closing tag, so it's an exception to our general rule. HTML tag refers to the starting of every HTML document, and this tag contains our HTML file and other elements, and every tag that will be used will be inside this HTML tag. Head tag is used to link various files such as CSS files or JavaScript files. We will see how to link them, and head tag contains a nested tag that is title tag. Title tag is basically used to give our title to your HTML document or to your website. For example, let's make an HTML document. First, doctype HTML, then our HTML, then head tag, then our title tag, and in this title tag we are going to give our website name homepage, so homepage, and it's an ending tag, so title slash, then closing head tag again, then starting body tag and ending it, and then ending our HTML tag. So this is our HTML document, and we are going to save it first. Let's call it homepage.html. So we have saved our document, and here we can see that nothing is inside our document because we have not yet specified anything inside our body tag, and we can see that in the title of our bar the home page is written that we have given inside our title tag. So basically title tag does this thing, and not only in the name of our tab but in results of a Google search where you see bold headings, those headings are basically the content or the name written inside the title tag. Our next tag is body tag. Body tag is a tag which contains everything that you will see in a website. For example, in this photo of a website, everything that you can see is inside the body tag. Comments in HTML. Comments are used for writing useful things that do not appear on our website. They are basically written so that the web developer does not get confused or can refer to his or her code. Syntax of comments is as you can see on your screen. So let's use comments in a document. So this is our previous example of home page, and let's add some comments inside the body tag. Basically comments are used inside the body tag. So here we will be commenting, hey, this is a comment, and we'll be closing our comment and saving our document. Here we can see that nothing is seen inside our website because this is a comment and comments are not reflected in a website. They are used for web developers to see his or her code, that what logic they have used while creating that document. And if I write here hello world, then let's see what happens. So here we have got hello world written, but the comments are still not visible because comments are not reflected inside our HTML document. In the next video, we will see some more HTML tags. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share and subscribe so that more of your friends get to know this skill, practice it and be a good web developer in the upcoming future. Thank you to all of you. Stay tuned.